Weed control is a major challenge for gardeners, especially for those who prefer natural methods and want to avoid commercial herbicides. In this video, we'll show you a simple and quick solution for small gardens, yards, or driveways. Weeds spread relentlessly in places meant for our precious plants. Their rapid growth steals nutrients, water, and sunlight, which can negatively affect our garden. Additionally, weeds can spread various diseases to other plants, so it's essential to eliminate them quickly. There are several methods for controlling weeds, but today we will focus on the three simplest ones. Stay with us until the end of the video. The first method is to simply boil water and spray it on the weeds. This method works well for small gardens, driveways, and similar areas, as boiling large amounts of water would be challenging. The second method involves adding 2 to 3 deciliters of vinegar to 1 liter of water. The high acidity of vinegar can damage and dry out the leaves of weeds, preventing their growth. Vinegar is a great alternative to chemical herbicides because it's natural, but remember, you should never water the soil with vinegar as it can harm it. Just spray the weeds directly. Adding 1 tablespoon of mild dish soap will enhance the vinegar's effectiveness, helping it penetrate the weed leaves better and breaking down the fat and protective layers. The third method is for the most stubborn weeds. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the mixture. Salt dehydrates plant cells, including weeds, leading to their drying out and eventual death. It's important to emphasize that you should not water the soil with this mixture, as it could cause permanent damage. Only spray the weeds directly. Make sure to spray the weeds during the hottest part of the day, as the strong sunlight will speed up the drying process of the leaves. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.